Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful quick weave. Just an FYI, some of the clips are sped up. I wanted to show you all the process step by step, and I didn't want to skip anything, but I didn't want you guys sitting and watching a 2-hour video. Okay, so I am starting with a protective shield over my hair. I have all the products in the description box below because I don't remember the names of everything. After I have fully coated my hair with the protective shield, I'm gonna go ahead and add my stocking cap. Y'all see my braid pattern? I just did 8 braids going around. They aren't super tight, and I made sure that my hair was well moisturized. Okay, so once I got that stocking cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out those ear holes so it's not like pulling tight. Then I'm just gonna blow dry for a couple minutes just to get that top layer dry. Now after I got my stocking cap on, I go ahead and add another layer of the protective shield. Y'all, this has never done me wrong. Whenever I get ready to take this quick weave out and I spray it down with some water, it's gonna come right out. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it again for a couple minutes just to make sure that that top layer is nice and dry. The hair that I'm using is the Mayde Beauty Bloom Bundle, Silk and Perm. I got 3 of these bundles in 30 inches in the number 2. I really didn't want 30 inches, but that was all they had. Okay, so installing the tracks, I always measure first and then cut. Now I'm just placing the tracks. I think I laid about 5 to 6 tracks left to right. Make sure that you are blow drying your tracks. Every track you lay down, you should be blow drying right afterwards. So again, I used about 5 to 6 tracks back there. I thought this was a good transition point for me to go ahead and add my tracks that we're going to lay forward. So I'm just going to take the track and I'm just going to measure from one side of my leave out to the other side of my leave out, going all the way around. And I'm going to do that 2 times. These 2 pieces are going to help with the way the hair falls. I want the hair to kind of fall in like the front of my face and not just lay flat going like down the side of my face. I really hope that makes sense because there really is a difference. In the past, when I've done middle part quick weaves, I didn't add this step and my quick weaves just did not lay correct. I was always so irritated that the hair just laid to the side and it didn't come out to the front of my face. Okay, so moving on. Now I am back to just laying those tracks left and right again. And I'm just going to do that all the way to the top, and it's going to kind of form a U shape around my leave out. Again, do not forget to blow dry in between all your tracks. So I've just recently started putting heat on my hair, and y'all, my hair be so thirsty, and I don't want to keep flat ironing it, so that was why I picked this hair out, because this hair looks like what the ends of my hair look like. So I figured it would blend perfectly. Okay, so at this point, I've used all 3 bundles. I am down to the scraps of each bundle. So I forgot to mention this earlier, but before you even start your quick weave, you want to make sure you take a piece of track and measure out the perimeter of your leave out and lay that hair to the side for later on. Once again, make sure that you are blow drying your tracks. So aside from the track that we put away to the side, the install is complete. Now I'm just going to cut off all of that extra stocking cap. Be really careful to make sure that you don't cut any of your hair. Yeah, this is a lot of hair. And it's so long. I'm definitely going to cut it. So now the time has come for us to use the piece of track that we set to the side. And it's just going to go around the perimeter of your leave out. This track is like what seals your quick weave. It's going to help your leave out blend and lay seamlessly. Hit it with that blow dryer one last time. And now your install is 100% complete. Okay, y'all. So out of the 3 bundles, this is all the hair that I had left over. Now I'm adding some heat protectant to my leave out. Not a lot, just a little bit. And I'm just going to do 1 pass on my leave out. I'm going to let it cool for a couple seconds and then I'm going to brush it through. And look at that blend, y'all. It looks so good. I added a little bit of serum that helps with frizz and shine. And that's it. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.